Cuisinart takes meal preparation to the next level with the Cuisinart Salad Spinner. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner has a 5-quart capacity that allows you to wash and dry salad greens with the easy-to-turn knob without removing the lid. Simple and easy to use, the Cuisinart Salad Spinner has a lock-in-place lid, so the bowl stays in place while spinning your greens clean. The green mesh basket is large enough to easily clean all your greens. The plastic 5-quart bowl has a non-slip bottom. It is important to wash and dry your greens prior to eating them. Add your greens to the salad spinner. Lock the lid in place by snapping the 2 tabs on the sides. Add water to the hole on the lid and begin spinning by turning the handle in both the clockwise and counterclockwise position, which creates the washing action. When you are finished spinning your greens, press the green button to stop it from spinning. Once you're done cleaning your greens, dump the water out into the sink and begin turning the knob again to dry the greens. If you are having company or getting ready to serve a meal, you can store your greens in the salad spinner up to 2 hours after washing and drying them. Serve fresh, beautiful salads with the Cuisinart Salad Spinner.